What's the meaning of beige? Beige. Beige.
Beige. Beige. Beige is a light, pale brownish-gray color that is often used to describe clothing, home decor, and other items. The word beige comes from the French language, which uses the word beige to describe a range of pale colors. Beige is considered to be a neutral color, meaning it can be paired with a wide variety of other colors and still look good. It is often associated with simplicity, calmness, and neutrality. Beige can also have a comforting and warm effect on people, making it a popular choice for interior design and fashion. Overall, beige is a versatile color that can be used in many different contexts.